भाई बादल, अरे अरे देखो बादल आएगा रे।
Sweeping emotions,
भुवन का साथ देना ही होगा।
मजेदार म्यूजिक, इंटेंस क्रिकेट। आज भी असली टूर्नामेंट से ज्यादा एंटरटेनिंग है लगान। 24 years later, this film is full of facts and stories that will blow your minds. So let's jump into 10 unknowns about लगान।
चलो शुरू करते हैं लेकर प्रभु का नाम।
Number 1. The first cut was how long? लगान की theatrical cut की run time काफी solid थी, but according to Amir, the original cut came up to a whopping 7.5 hours. But what's interesting is director Ashutosh Gowarikar का अब भी मानना है that the cut was not 7.5 but 5 hours long. तो जब तक हमको final answer नहीं मिल जाता, what do you guys think?
Number 2. चंपानेर की असली अमीरी. The village of Champaner was built on desert land from the ground up. But that isn't the only crazy thing. हर झोपड़े में AC और टॉयलेट था. The crew very smartly mixed authenticity with convenience. अगर रसेल ये देख लेता तो शायद और तगड़ी टीम बनाकर सच में पूरा गांव लूट लेता.
इसका फैसला कल की बात करेंगे.
Number 3. Sync sound almost sunk the film.
4x11 take 1.
Lagan marked a number of firsts for the film industry. One of which was shooting the whole film in sync sound. पर कच्छ के रेगिस्तान में इतना सन्नाटा होता था कि 2 किलोमीटर दूर चालू एक हैंडपंप की आवाज भी पूरी शूट रोक डालती थी.
Seriously guys, sync sound, you gotta be quiet man.
The crew would have to track down the source of any and all such noise and shut it down. पूरा सेट का कार्डियो हो जाता था. And not just that, sync sound was causing more issues for Lagan before shoot even began. You won't believe the story in number 6.
Roll sound!
Rolling!
Number 4. Reena Datta's production debut. Being the first film under AKP's banner, Amir needed the most trustworthy captain of the ship as his executive producer. So he chose his then wife Reena Datta to take the helm. With no prior production experience, she demanded from Amir some one-on-one meetings with industry veterans, from Aditya Chopra to Subhash Ghai, so she could fully understand the world of production before she agreed to the job. Safe to say, Reena was the real man of the match for Lagan.
Number 5. चले चलो या नशा नशा. The now iconic Rahman banger originally began with the lyrics Nasha Nasha. But फिर जावेद साहब ने आकर लिरिक्स बदल दिए. जावेद साहब लॉजिक वाज सिंपल. जिस गांव में पीने का पानी ना हो, उधर के गांववासी नशा नशा क्यों गाएंगे भाई? While many on set were surprised by his changes, उनके इस लॉजिक से कोई आर्ग्यू नहीं कर सकता था. Truly genius for a reason.
Best part of having Javed Akhtar in your film? Farhan and Zoya aren't far behind. The pair wrote the English lyrics for the film.
My heart it speaks the thousand words. I feel eternal bliss.
इनकी तो बड़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव फैमिली है भाई.
तुम बहुत अच्छा गाती हो.
Number 6. Amir the Madman.
मगर मुखिया जी, बात भवन, अब कौन आकर मगर आई?
प्रॉमिस किया था आप नंबर 6 बिलीव नहीं करोगे. So here goes. लगान इंडस्ट्री की पहली फिल्म थी जो नॉट जस्ट सिंग साउंड में बट पूरी वन गो में शूट हुई थी. नो ब्रेक्स, नो स्केड्यूल्स.
और यही उम्मीद का हम सच्चाई में बदलना चाहते हैं.
What's fascinating is that this groundbreaking effort wasn't accepted openly.
तो हर खोपड़ी घूम गई है भवन.
Most of the industry thought Amir was going mad. In fact, Aditya Chopra and Karan Johar were brave enough to say it to the man himself.
वैसे आमिर तू क्या कर रहा है? ऐसे तू सिंग साउंड भी करेगा, तू एक शेड्यूल में भी करेगा. You're taking you're making a big mistake.
Truly, Lagan's success set multiple benchmarks.
At the box office and behind the scenes. And all because Amir said,
शरत मंजूर है.
Number 7. Ashutosh Gowarikar, director and karaoke fan. During the shoot of Ghanan Ghanan, the whole cast struggled to lip sync the song. So Ashutosh came with an interesting solution. Nightly karaoke sessions.
अरे वाह.
Number 8. Equality in punctuality. Punctuality was strict. 5 मिनट भी लेट आए तो बस तुम्हारे बिना निकल जाती थी. Even if you were Amir Khan.
On day 2 of the shoot, I actually was 5 minutes late or something. And the bus actually left without me. I was taken quite by surprise that the producer was not waited for even 5 minutes.
मैं का गूंगा हो जाता माँ.
Number 9.
All right gentlemen, closing!
Aamir's big problem. Despite being considered a near masterpiece, even making waves internationally from day one till date, Aamir has one big issue with Lagan. Bhuvan's face. आमिर का मानना था कि डेजर्ट के एक छोटे से गांव का आदमी एकदम क्लीन शेव में मूवी स्टार लगना was a little unrealistic.
एक तो बारिश नहीं है, खाने के वांदे हैं यार, ये साला बंदा शेव कर रहा है रोज।
तो क्या कर सकते थे? था कोई चारा?
No.
Ashutosh and the team even did countless look tests with beards on Aamir. But thank God his handsome चेहरे पे कभी कोई दाढ़ी नहीं जची. Number 10. Last but nowhere near the least fascinating. Aamir Khan, full-time movie star, part-time crowd control expert. Lagan के crowd reactions add so much hype to the action, and Aamir was the reason.
कोई भी सीन पर्दे पर अच्छा लगने के लिए क्राउड का रिएक्शन बहुत अहम, बहुत जरूरी होता है। जितना अच्छा आपका काम होगा, उतना अच्छा हमारा सीन, हमारा क्लाइमैक्स आएगा।
Extras on set were treated to an excellent surprise जब भुवन के कॉस्ट्यूम में आमिर ने ये गाना गाया।
Almost as berserk as movie fans who've still been watching and rewatching these moments for decades. So if you like that video and you want to see more, like, share and subscribe to Aamir Khan Talkies. Make sure to click the bell icon for regular updates.